What is the motivation through biology for neural networks?
So people have always been trying to replicate intelligence or the human brain.
Mm-hmm.
And so the idea with the neural network is that you have a single neuron,
Mm-hmm.
and that neuron passes information to other neurons in the brain.
Mm-hmm.
There are no feature engineering. All it is raw inputs that we see from our eyes or hear from our ears,
Mm-hmm.
and then it goes and passes from one neuron to the next.
Mm-hmm.
And so the idea in a artificial neural network is that we use the neuron as the fundamental building block,
Mm-hmm.
and all of the sum of the inputs of that neuron will kind of determine whether that neuron sends an output to the next neurons that precede it.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the basic idea, is these neurons are firing to other neurons based on if they have enough signal coming from them
Mm-hmm.
to activate that next signal going forward.
Right. And so those of us who have studied a bit about biology, especially the biology of nervous systems, I think we can all remember the basic tenet of how neurons work is that it's the all or nothing principle. A neuron has to gather enough of the electrical impulse in order to decide whether or not it's going to fire the signal onto the next neuron. So I think that's generally what Layne was getting at in that last point.